Our latest GDP numbers are in from the second quarter of 2026, and our economy continued to grow at a fairly sluggish pace. In the last quarter, the economy grew at an annualized rate of just 1.5%. If you look back 4 quarters, the average was 2.1%. And if you look back 10 quarters, the average was also just 2.1%. There were 4 quarters during those 10 where the economy grew at a fairly good pace at above 3%, but there were also 4 when it grew below 2% and 2 when it grew at an average rate of just 0. So the economy, it continues to be sluggish, much more sluggish than our spending growth. If you look at the spending growth over the last year, the 5 big spending towers especially grew at a rate of 7.8%. So when the economy is growing at only 2% and the spending is growing at nearly 8%, you can see why we have $2 trillion deficits and a $40 trillion debt. Long story short, we continue to have sluggish growth and very high spending, and that's a recipe for a fiscal problem that could easily become a debt crisis.